Welcome. I'm continuing with this 57th script. I'm on stage E, and it's kind of a concept design, talking with my kids, kind of a billowing form on top of these, parametric wheels. I'm not going to shift or move this. I'm actually just going to run through the sections of the script. I went in and I basically was like, I'll just use the list item, and I'll use it a lot. And it's all over this script. I've just marked one time that it's there, but I'll let you guys kind of figure out where it's at. It's pretty nice. The first script that runs through, I guess I'll just go through and tell you what it is. In the end, it generates the wheels, and I have two sets, or one closed brep of one of the wheels, and that's it. Just generates it right in the center. If I bring it up here, I think if I pop it in there, preview on, you'll see it's right in the middle. So that's all that generates is that first little wheel. I'll turn that off. Take that to preview off, and then hopefully it goes off. Here we go. Oh, I just have to unclick it. And then the second script goes in. It stays everything's connected. So I go into the next break. I use that, and I take that and run it through this next script, which I covered in the last tutorial. It generates two closed breps, which is this section and that section. It's the same way I built in Tinkercad, but it's now the way I'm building in Grasshopper. And I think this way. I don't think architecturally. I think object making and systematically, and where to connect things and where the glue goes and the nail goes. And, I've never thought of being a product designer in any way, and I can't say this is really a product. It's just a novel kind of thing to do with my have fun with. And to consider making it would be kind of fun. The next script goes in and basically analyzes this center section, finds what's is planar and extrudes it, and then maps it with an orient. I think there's an orient in here. Holistic kind of approach to building these a frame to it, and that's what I end up building is that lower frame. Really nice and easy. There it is. And the final script is just billowing over top of the top. So I brought in those points, and I was selective with what I wanted to grab. Points at lines. I just selected a few of them, and in sense moved them around a little bit, lofted them, built some arcs, and I thought these arcs would be enough inspiration to loft that form, and there it is lofted. And then to take it into an extrusion, which is a script that I have up here in snippets, just an extrude surface script that I wrote, and you can bring in any, if you have a brep, one brep, you're going to want to deconstruct brep and see how many faces there are, and there's 3 faces, so I just grafted it, and boom, and throws them in there, and it does what you're supposed to do when you're lofting surfaces. You take that surface, wherever it is, this lofted surface, I think here, and you're going to want to file that into an iso trim, put that into a surface closest points, put it into evaluate surface, and into an extrude. And those are the 4 things you want to do, and then I brought it all up to these wonderful colors, and just having a wonderful time with it. So I will grab those final objects, this one, this one, this one, and not the one in the middle, and I will take those to bake, and I will group bake them if it will let me. And of course, it won't let me do anything while I'm on turntables, so I'll take them to a group bake, and there they are. What an object. I'll take out the colors, leave the render to shaded. What a lovely little thing. I absolutely adore it. So I'm going to get rid of this, open this up, and have a look at this model on all levels. Sorry, I left my face in the way, but let's go here and have a look. I've got pretty cool technical details of it. It's going to take a little bit to load because it's a tricky little script, but I'm really liking it. And that'll run it through pen pretty quick. Let me centerize everything, and let's take it in through artistic. I think I'm actually getting pretty good at this. Kind of cool. Let's grab this one and take it to a zebra. Why not? Emap's always better. And there it is. That whole thing's running and rolling, and I can rotate it in every window if I want to, but I think I'll just through my Emap there. Very nice ending. I am loving it. So I used to do this in Tinkercad. Now I'm doing it scripted perfectly in Grasshopper. Very much in love with it. So really having fun. And sorry, I'm hesitating, but turntable, we'll just get that one rolling. And what a nice little object to end with. Little Emap, and what a toy. All right, Beth, come here. Check out my toy. Loving it. I think it's fantastic. So, being a metal caster, this is exactly what I've been looking for and having fun with. So, welcome to it. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Pretty fun. I'll put my script up online. If anybody wants to fabricate this with me, give me a call and we'll make it. Thank you very much.